Hi, this is Glenn from Standout Marketing Pros. Now, one of the things that I love to do is actually think about it from a client standpoint of how can I make them different than everybody else? Because there's lots of chiropractors, there's hundreds of dentist offices, real estate agents. Each one is different. And so my job is to kind of look at them and go, how can I make them different than everybody else? And what I do is I look at everything that a consumer or a customer would look at. So I look at their Facebook page, I look at their website, I look at how their reviews are, I look at the marketing materials they're sending out. What are the things that the customer is seeing and how can we improve those and make them stand out, different than everybody else? And it takes time. It doesn't happen one time. It takes time over a certain period of time. Like Terrace Lakes, it's been 4 years. Progressive Nursing, it's been about 4 or 5 years. They've all changed. What's nice is once that change is done, then you're going to see more customers coming in. The right customers coming to your business, doing business with you. That's our ultimate goal at Standout Marketing Pros. Have a great day.